Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up secure folder on Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Alright guys, first of all, we can go to our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and we have to go to the security setting. We can click on the security and privacy setting, and here we have to click on the more security settings. Okay, and select the secure folder, and here you can set up your secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You just need to click on continue and click on continue again, and we have to wait for a moment until the secure folder has been created on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and we can monitor it right here on our notification panel. It's still loading. Okay, and now my secure folder has been created. This is my secure folder, and we can click on it, and we have to set a pattern, pin, or password. And I'm just going to select pattern. For example, we can draw our pattern right here, and after that we can click on turn on. Okay, and click on next, and this is the secure folder. If you want to reorder the application, you can click on this plus button, and you can select the application that you want to add to your secure folder. And before you exit the secure folder, you can click on this three dots, and you just need to lock and exit. Okay, and I'm going to show you how it works. So for example, I'm going to move one of my notes to my secure folder, so we can click on notes. So for example, I'm going to move this note to my secure folder. We can tap and hold on it, and we can click on more option and select the move to secure folder. Okay, and now the note has been moved to my secure folder, and we can open it. Okay, this is my notes. I'm going to open it. Okay, and this is the note that I have just moved to my secure folder. And before we close it, don't forget to click on the three dots and click on lock and exit. So the secure folder will be locked. And if we want to open it, we have to draw the pattern. And I guess that's how we can set up secure folder on our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.